2 headphones, 2 sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Soundcore Q20i and Edifier W820NB+ to find out which headphones offer the better overall experience. From sound quality and active noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right pair for your needs. Let's get started. Comparative analysis. The Soundcore Q20i features a lightweight plastic construction with memory foam ear cushions and a foldable design, making it practical for daily commuting and travel. In contrast, the Edifier W820NB+ offers a slightly more refined build with soft protein leather ear pads and a comfortable over-ear fit, providing a premium feel while remaining lightweight for extended listening sessions. The Soundcore Q20i delivers a bass-rich sound signature with 40mm dynamic drivers and customizable EQ settings through the Soundcore app, making it ideal for listeners who enjoy energetic, punchy audio. Meanwhile, the Edifier W820NB+ focuses on a more balanced and detailed sound profile, featuring high-res audio and LDAC support for higher quality wireless streaming and improved clarity across a wide range of music genres. The Soundcore Q20i offers up to 60 hours of playback with ANC disabled and up to 40 hours with ANC enabled, along with Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connectivity for seamless switching between devices. The Edifier W820NB+ provides up to 49 hours of battery life without ANC and up to 33 hours with ANC enabled, utilizing Bluetooth 5.2 and stable wireless performance with low latency support for gaming and video content. The Soundcore Q20i includes hybrid active noise cancellation, transparency mode, multi-point pairing, customizable EQ presets, and app-based controls for a personalized listening experience. The Edifier W820NB+ offers hybrid ANC with up to -43 decibel noise reduction, ambient sound mode, LDAC codec support, low latency gaming mode, and companion app customization for enhanced audio control. The Soundcore Q20i launched in 2023 with a starting price of approximately $50, positioning it as an affordable ANC headphone with excellent battery life and everyday features. In comparison, the Edifier W820NB+ also launched in 2023 with a starting price of approximately $80, targeting users seeking stronger audio fidelity, LDAC support, and more premium sound performance. The Soundcore Q20i is ideal for budget-conscious users who prioritize long battery life, strong bass, multi-point connectivity, and reliable noise cancellation for everyday use. The Edifier W820NB+ is better suited for listeners who value higher resolution audio, a more balanced sound signature, LDAC support, and enhanced detail retrieval for music-focused listening sessions. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.